How to start writing on Medium article writer tutorial. First, of course, you have to head on to medium.com and you have to create an account. So creating an account is really easy. You just have to log in with your Google account and you can immediately sign in to medium.com. I am currently logged in right here, and this platform is actually free. It is free to use Medium as a writer, but if you want to be able to read more than 3 stories per month, you'll need to pay a monthly subscription. And it is also stated right here, get unlimited access to the best of Medium for less than $1 a week. So you can write on the platform without a subscription, and you can even earn money from your stories through the partner program. Now, as we can see on this dashboard right here, you have a following tab where you can see some articles by the users or the writers that you have followed on this platform. There are also some users right here, and Medium has recommended on who to follow, so you can just click on follow right here and you can see their articles on this following section on your dashboard. So when you create an account on Medium, it is basically your website and it allows you to create your own articles. So again, you can follow pages. And now let's get on to the main point on how to create an article on this specific platform, which is Medium. Now at the top right of this page, we can see the right option. There is also this bell icon which can show our notifications. And this is our profile icon where we can see these options right here: profile, library, stories, statistics, settings, recommendations, publications, help. We can become a Medium member, create a master account, apply for author verification, apply to the partner program, and gift a membership to a certain user. Now that we've gone through those options, we can click on right over here at the top right, and you can directly type in your story right here. And here are some tips at the bottom. We can select text to change formatting, add headers, or create links. Now I have an article prepared right here, so I'm just going to copy it. So this is my title, and I'm going to paste it in on this title section. And that is how it looks like. It looks pretty good. We can highlight it and you can opt to change its appearance. You can make it larger or smaller. And you can also add in a quote thing. And I'm just gonna set it to this style of text. And then I'm gonna copy my content of the article and paste it in here at Medium. Now again, I have talked about selecting text to change its formatting. So for example, I want to select this one and change it to appear it as a quote or emphasize it as a quote. So I'm just going to tap on this quote icon right here and it looks like that. So that looks great. And this text format is usually used for quotes or for emphasizing content at your article. Just like this, that, and you can also highlight something. For example, I want to bold this text, so I'm just going to select it and click on this B icon right here, and that is on bold already. And I want to bold this one to emphasize each point of my article. Control B, we can do Control B as well on your keyboard as a shortcut. And that looks good so far. For example, I want to emphasize this one. You can also increase its font size and make it look like that so that it is emphasized on your article and make it easier to read overall. And you can fix up on some formatting so that it looks more organized and the readers will be able to read it easily. You can also click on next right here at the bottom. These are some tips from Medium, so you can follow them as well and be guided as you write your article at this part of the page. Now I also want to add an image, for example, after this quote. I'm just going to click on enter. And as you can see, there is a plus icon right here. So tap on that and we have a lot of options. We can add an image. We can add an image from Unsplash if you don't have an image of yours. We can add a video, embed code, add a new code block, and add a new part. So for example, I want to add an image. You can also, if you have an image right on your Word app, I can opt to copy it from here and paste it by clicking on Ctrl V on your keyboard. And that should paste in your image onto your article as well. Now, if this image is not yours, it is also great to give credits to the photographer. So I took this photo from pexels.com. So it is a free website as well where you can use free stock photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. So I'm just going to paste in this credit right here so that it is rightfully used on our article, and so we can avoid some issues or copyright issues with our article that is using that image. And another feature is that we can highlight a specific words of our article and add a link onto it. For example, I want to add link to this specific phrase right here, and we can paste a link to, for example, redirect our reader to a specific article that also supports the benefits of coffee. So for example, let's search for it, like this one. If you want to link up a credible source that elaborates more on a topic, you can do that. Highlight a phrase or a word and click on this link icon and paste that link and just click on enter, and once the reader reads it, they will be able to click on that and they will be redirected on that specific link. And this is how our article looks so far, and I think it looks good. We can, if you are done writing your article and done polishing it overall, we can click on publish at the top right, and we can then opt to have a story preview image. It automatically adds the image that we have on our article as a story preview, or we can also change a preview image so that we can have a great thumbnail. Having a great thumbnail contributes to more readers clicking onto your article. So that is a great factor as well. So choose a great preview image, and then we can add in our tags right here. So let's just type in some relevant keywords so that more readers will be able to search for your article. Something like that. You can add in your tags and your article would be SEO friendly and people would be able to search for it on Google or other search engines. Now we can click on publish now, or you can also opt to schedule for later. So I'm just going to publish it now, and it says publishing story right here, and now our story is published. We can also share it onto our Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn, and also copy this article link so that we can share it on other platforms as well. You can click on X right here and continue to browse through your published article and see if everything looks right. And everything looks good so far. And Medium also gives an approximate rate here. It is approximately a 3-minute read, so that is a great detail on this specific platform. And here are our tags, and the readers will also be able to add in a comment and add in their thoughts. They will be able to save your article as well and share it, and we can edit our story with this option right here, pin the story to our profile, have our story settings, and see our story stats, hide responses, and delete our story if you'd like that. And that is basically how you can start writing on Medium and be a Medium article writer. Let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, just drop them down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day.